Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nestjs. Today we are going to learn about file uploads using the Multer. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the Express Multer. So you have to install the package this. Then you have to create the file module.ts. So here I have created that file module.ts file. So here we have the Multer configuration, imports Multer module register, destination that is uploads, controller, file controller. Okay, so which controller? File controller. Let's move to the file controller then. Okay, so this is our file controller, right? So here we have import the controller, post uploaded file and use interceptors, Nestjs from common, file interceptor for the file upload. Okay, so here is the main function, that is controller files. Okay, then this is the class files controller, that is a post API, that is upload. So files slash upload. Okay, this would be the route. Okay, use interceptors, file interceptor, that is file. So upload file, upload at the rate upload file. So here you can see we have a function that is upload file. Okay, so here we have using the at the rate upload file. Okay, from the Nestjs common, and we are accepting the file. If there is a no file, then no file uploaded. Okay, process the uploaded file here, save to the DB, manipulate whatever you want to do, you can do it over here. Console.log that file is uploaded with the file. Okay, returning the message that file uploaded successfully. Let's have a look. But one thing is pending, that is module. We have to import this into our module, app.module. Where it is app module.ts. So here we have a file module. So okay, file module, we have to import this one in the import section. Okay, save this. These are the files, okay, that we have to write. After that, go to our postman. This is the route, localhost 3000 files upload. So and here we have a file key, and here we have to upload the files. So let's upload any of the selected files. So this is GG. Okay, we have to upload this one. Open this file. Okay, let me drag over here and send it. File uploaded successfully. Go to the upload section, and here this is uploaded, right? So this is how you can upload the images or anything you want to upload via Multer in Nestjs. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.